Hello Research Passionate, welcome back to Knowledge Hub. Today we are going to learn how to find out the exact information of any topic by using Google Scholar. We know that Google Scholar is most familiar as a research search engine. You can search here to read any books, other scholars' publication, your thesis related topics and other so many things. Almost people familiar with Google Scholar, but very few people know how to rightly use it and how to find out the accurate articles. Now I'm going to show you how you can use Google Scholar rightly. If you are new in research or if you don't know how to open Google Scholar, just follow me. At first you open a browser and then click here Google Scholar and then click the first link and then you will get Google Scholar. This is library where you can save any articles for reading later, and this is your profile where you can make a profile by using your Gmail account. Now I'm going to show you how do you search profile in Google Scholar. Now write down here your article title. I'm going to write here a title about COVID-19. After writing your title, search it. After searching, just notice the search result. This really too much. From this amount of result, it's really difficult to collect data. So now I'm going to show you how you can reduce this result, because it's really helpful to collect data from few articles. Now I'm going to show you how do you reduce the amount of search result. Now the work of you to modify the title, because it will highly help you to reduce the search result amount. Change the some keyword of your title and change the effect to impact. Both of impact and effect are the similar word. After change the keyword effect to impact, just notice the amount of search result. How much decreases it? It's really astonishable. You can also reduce the search result amount by adding extra related keywords. By adding extra related keywords, you can highly reduce the amount of your search result. If I add with this title extra related keywords such as socio, then notice the amount of result. You can also reduce the amount of search result by using a specific time. If I search since 2016, then notice the amount of result. How much decreases it? Then if you search it from 2019, then notice the result of your search. This highly decreases. Then if you search it since 2020, then look at the result. How much decreases it? So by this way you can search in Google Scholar. By reducing your search result, you can collect data easily from few results, because if you collect data from high result, it will be really difficult for you to collect data accurately. So by this way you can search in Google Scholar. I think it will highly help you to understand how to use Google Scholar.